Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the system music on your PlayStation 4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by moving to the top of the screen on your PS4, then move to the very right and select Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Sound and Screen. Here in the sound settings, there is an option called System Music. Just uncheck that tick box and the system music will be turned off. You can also turn it back on by coming here and enabling it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.